Installation instructions for the Universal Hardware Industrial Duty Single-Cylinder Deadbolt. This deadbolt is UL listed with a 3-hour fire rating, ANSI Grade 1, tested to exceed 250,000 cycles, and has vandal-resistant features, and can be installed on right or left-hand doors between 1 3/8 inches to 2 inches thick, along with an adjustable latch. Can be used for a 2 3/8 inch or a 2 3/4 inch backset. Here are the tools required for installation. The deadbolt comes with everything else you will need. Preparing the door. If your door is already prepared, continue on to installation. If not, use the provided template to mark and drill the appropriate holes for your door. If necessary, remove the cylinder for rekeying before installing the deadbolt. Remove the cylinder housing from the exterior shell. Remove the cylinder retaining screw, then slide the cylinder out. Once rekeyed, replace the cylinder and secure with the cylinder retaining screw. Place the cylinder housing back into the exterior shell. Adjust the latch if necessary. Using a Phillips screwdriver, turn the latch cam to extend the bolt. Twist the latch face clockwise and pull out, then twist back to the 2 3/4 position. Turn the latch cam to retract the bolt. The latch should now match the backset. Install the latch into the edge of the door. Be sure the arrow labeled "up" is in the correct position. Using 2 of the small screws, fasten the latch. Do not tighten the screws completely to allow for some leeway when installing the deadbolt. Place the exterior housing into position by sliding the tailpiece horizontally into the latch cam. Using the interior reinforcement plate and the 2 small mounting screws, secure the exterior assembly. With the thumb turn in the upright position, slide the receiver onto the tailpiece and push the interior assembly flush against the door. Using the 2 long mounting screws, fasten the interior assembly to the door. Finally, fully tighten the latch screws. Test the installation by locking and unlocking the deadbolt. Install the strike box and reinforcement plate onto the door jamb. If installing on a wood frame, use the long wood screws to fasten the reinforcement plate now. Then place the strike plate onto the door jamb and fasten with the 2 remaining short screws. Your new Universal Hardware Industrial Duty Deadbolt is now ready for use.